In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly present a Google Slides presentation during a Google Meet session, ensuring you look polished and stay on track with your speaking points. Let's dive right in. First, make sure to open your slide deck in Google Slides. This step sets the stage, and it's crucial to have everything ready for an effective presentation. Once your slide deck is open, it's time to hop over to Google Meet. Open or join the meeting you'll be presenting in, making sure to do this in a separate browser tab or window. Keeping these tabs separate helps you juggle both your visuals and the Meet interface without any hassle. Now, with both your Google Slides and Google Meet ready and waiting, it's time to share your slides with your audience. In Google Meet, you'll find an option towards the bottom of the screen called Present Now. Click on it and you'll see a few choices. Make sure to select a tab or any equivalent option that lets you share a specific browser tab. This ensures that only the content in your chosen tab is visible to everyone in the meeting, maintaining privacy and focus. With that option selected, you'll see a list of your open tabs. Go ahead and click on the one that contains your slides presentation. This action directs Google Meet to display your slides to your audience. Once you have shared the tab with your presentation, switch back to the Google Slides tab. Look for the Start Slideshow button and click it. This activates presentation mode, giving your slides the polished, full-screen appearance they deserve. With the slideshow running, you might notice a handy little toolbar appear at the bottom right corner of your screen. If your Google Workspace edition allows it, you'll see a button labeled Speaker Notes. Click on this to open up your Speaker Notes panel. This is an incredibly useful feature, keeping your notes easily accessible and unobtrusive. It lets you follow your carefully prepared points and maintain the flow you've planned, all without your audience being the wiser. As you present, your audience will be focused solely on the visuals from the shared tab, the important graphs, images, and text you've crafted. Meanwhile, you'll have the inside track with your speaker notes, guiding you through talking points or reminders you've jotted down to enhance your delivery. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage both Google Slides and Google Meet, ensuring a professional and coordinated presentation. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find these tips useful the next time you're in the spotlight, ready to impress your audience.